Apple iPad, 10th generation. Ever pick up a brand new gadget and feel that little twinge of uncertainty? That tiny voice whispering, will I even know how to use this thing? That's the feeling the 10th generation iPad completely obliterates. Imagine a sleek, cool surface, a vibrant 10.9-inch liquid retina display, dark and silent. You hesitate. Will it live up to the hype? You press the button. The Apple logo glows. The screen bursts to life with vibrant colour. But the question remains, will it be as smooth as it looks? You touch the screen. A swipe. Effortless. No lag. Just pure fluid motion. The A14 Bionic chip kicks in. Apps launch instantly. Multitasking is seamless. Even demanding games run flawlessly. The tension starts to ease. Wi-Fi 6 connects you at lightning speed. Downloads are instant. Streaming is smooth. No more buffering frustration. iPadOS anticipates your needs. It simplifies everything. You pick up the Apple Pencil. You draw. The line flows naturally. The tension melts away. The magic keyboard folio clicks into place. You type. It's responsive, comfortable. You realize this isn't just about specs, it's about the experience. The smooth, seamless, intuitive experience. The feeling of effortless power. The joy of creating. The 10th generation iPad doesn't just promise a smooth experience, it delivers it. And that in just 2 minutes is the most satisfying feeling of all. It's not just technology, it's basically magic. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.